Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. With good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. Friend, this is me Asya, and today I show you in this video very attractive and latest collection of low maintenance hairstyle for girls and women. Many much more different ideas of low maintenance hairstyle with beautiful haircut. Eye-catching hair dye. And many much more stylish and latest collection, trendy collection of low maintenance hairstyle. For girls and women you see in this video, I hope you liked it. First of all, I'll talk about so beautiful ideas of hairstyling. In low maintenance hairstyle, fine hairstyle, spiky hairstyle, and beautiful collection of messy hairstyles, and very stylish collection of too short and too small wave and curl on hair, curly hairstyle. And some collection spiky and fine hairstyle in undercut. Different ideas of haircut: pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and different type of cut. Some ideas layered, some ideas step. And mostly ideas in undercut. So beautiful collection of undercut and shaved art. And different ideas of hair dye. Blonde color, burgundy color. Light brown, dark brown. Black color, grey color. Some ideas in funky colors. And different ideas of funky colors in highlights. And so beautiful overall ideas of our collection in low maintenance hairstyle for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish. And you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel. Like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't go without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts like Facebook, Twitter, Insta. And many apps of social media. I hope you must share it. So friends, thank you so much. You're watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll write back with new collection, new ideas. Take care of yourself and take care of your loved ones and those around you. I hope you do it. Bye bye.